when building a website, it's key that you actually select fonts that are beautiful and not disturbing to the eyes. I will recommend you select your fonts from Google Fonts, and I'll show you in this video how to link your website to the Google Fonts API so you can use the font families on Google Fonts. Now, this is what I have currently. As we all can see, this is the default font. Now let's head over to Google Fonts and select a font for our website. To do that, you come over here, head to fonts.google.com, and you see we have lots of fonts here, lots of fonts, and you can search for fonts here. I'll be going with the Poppins font. This is the Poppins font. To choose a font on this website, you come over here, you select this icon over here. When you select that icon, you'll notice this one family selected. Click on this, and this is the link to the Google Fonts API. You copy this, come over to your VS Code, place it in the head tag, right beneath our CSS link, and that's it right there. I have placed. The next thing we shall be doing is coming over to the Google Fonts website again. Now this is the font family. This shall go in our CSS file, so I'll copy this, go back to my VS Code, head over to index.css, and use this font for the whole of my website. One tag that covers the whole of the website is my body tag. So I'll say body, and I'll paste the font family that I copied from the Google Fonts. I'll paste this right here. Now let's save this, and let's go back to our browser to refresh and see what we have now. Let's refresh. As you can see, the fonts have changed and this looks better. So this is how to select fonts for your website. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.